This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Here's how to increase the number of words in an essay or report or blog post using the Help Me Write feature in Google Docs. And let's get started. So this is an essay that I wrote about the historical history of shoveling snow. You can see that when I put my cursor here, briefly there was some text here that said Help Me Write. If you don't see that text and you want to use this feature, look on the right side of the page and you'll see this icon. It looks like a pencil with a star next to it. And if you hover over it, it says Help Me Write. And this, by the way, is currently only available in paid versions of Google accounts. But I think free versions will soon start to have this as well. So anyways, I'm going to press this icon and this blue kind of this prompt appears. So this is the Help Me Write prompt and it's giving me some suggestions. I'm going to paste in a bit of text that says, increase the length of this essay to 600 words and bold the new sections. Please preserve my voice. Let's blow this up a little bit. And just for your reference, the original essay is 433 words long. So sometimes, this is for my own newsletter and blog, I might want to write something longer. And if I see I haven't written something that's long enough, I need to bump up the size. So this is a typical use case. So I'm going to press create and let's see what happens. So it'll think about it for a little bit. And of course, the longer that your essay is, the longer it will take to actually produce the content. So this is a relatively short essay, but something that's 10,000 words long, of course, would be it would crank through it using take a lot longer to do that. So what it's done is it's showing me what it wants to insert into my essay where my cursor is. It's bolded the parts that are new. The logistical challenges of winter travel in the pre-industrial age were immense, but people adapted using ingenious, if labor-intensive methods. Okay, so that's actually accurate. I do want to review what the AI is putting in there. It's also adding some things like subtitles or subheadings, and then here it's adding like some 2 new paragraphs. So I need to review that pretty carefully. And then looks like that's about it. So it added about 150 words. Those are the bolded words. If I wanted to, I could say, all right, insert that, and it would put it at the top of the essay. And then I could erase the original essay because that's included in this 600-word sample they've given here. I can also refine it with a prompt. So I'm going to say, make it only 500 words long. Please bold the new parts. And let's see what happens. Refine. So it's giving me a couple options here. I wanted to see if it will just take that. Yeah, so I just pressed return, and now it's going to use the new prompt, which is 500 words. So here's the new part of it, and you can see there's still some new bolded sentences. I'll need to review that, but if I'm ready with that, I can just insert it. So that's replacing this is the old stuff that's below. And the new stuff is bolded. After I review it, I might unbold it so I can include it, and then I'll have my new essay. So actually, let's just check to make sure it's 500 words long, like I asked. Go to Tools, Word Count, and you can see it's 679 words. Interesting. Maybe I didn't erase something else there. Oh, it looks like it might have put in actually both of them. All right, I'll have to go in and sort that out. But this is basically the process for making an essay longer using this Help Me Write feature in Google Docs. Again, you'll need a paid Google account to use this currently. This is as of early 2026, but I expect Google will really open this up so other people can use it, even on the free Google accounts that a lot of people have for Google Docs. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.